Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove memory card on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, so first we need to remove the SIM card tray. The SIM card tray is located on the left side of the phone, right in here. Now we gotta use our key, then use a little bit of a pressure, then it jumps out. Okay. It's right in here. And now if you want to remove it, you can push gently from the downside. It pops out. And now we can get the tray back in. And now the memory card has been successfully removed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.